What's going on, CT Lex addicts? It's your boy Lex P, aka Lex P McDermott, checking in from the most electrifying car dealership in Connecticut, McDermott Lexus. Come on in. McDermott Lexus in New Haven also has one of the largest selections of new and certified pre-owned Lexuses. Can you believe that in the area? McDermott Lexus is also the home of the highest Lexus retention dealership in the nation. In addition to all the amenities that this dealership has to offer and their award-winning sales and service staff, McDermott Lexus boasts 3 showrooms showcasing their convertibles, sedans, and SUVs for whatever your preference may be. Lex P personally prefers the all-new 2010 all-wheel drive Lexus IS 250. Let's go outside and take a closer look. The all-new 2010 all-wheel drive Lexus IS 250. Complete with Bluetooth in the car, anti-lock brakes for safety, dual-side airbags, and XM satellite radio, among many other things. Here, let's take a look under the hood and see what else is going on. V6 engine, 6 cylinders, automatic transmission, if that's your preference, 13 cubic feet of trunk space, keyless entry, and a keyless ignition. In fact, it also has a rear view mirror camera just to make sure that its passengers and drivers are safe. The all-new 2010 all-wheel drive Lexus IS 250, available at McDermott Lexus. And don't forget to ask about the 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty. So come on down to McDermott Lexus, 655 Main Street, East Haven. Or exit 50 off of 95 North. Just look for the big American flag. We're right underneath, and tell them Lex P sent you.